Good morning, student. Lesson number 23, revision 3. Okay, here is one question. Complete the sentence given below with appropriate modal verbs. Okay, the first sentence is here. Tigress, pandas, whale are all in danger, so we must think about protecting our wildlife. Okay, so according to the tense meaning, we use here must. Okay, so we must think about protecting our wildlife. Okay, now the second one is children must walk to school and adults should use the metro or go by bus. According to sentence meaning, we already filled here must. Okay, because it is related with revision, so we have to only revise these questions. Now the third one is here. At home we can also save energy by switching off lights. Okay, switching off lights can. Okay, that is the ability. Okay, that modal verbs can, it shows the ability, and we feel here that modal verbs. Okay, according to sentence meaning. Now the fourth sentence is here. Our weather is getting warmer and the rainforests are disappearing, so we must think about saving trees. That means it is needed, it is must. Okay, that shows the obligations which modal auxiliary must. Okay, our weather is getting warmer and the rainforests and disappearing, so we must think about the saving trees. According to this sentence meaning, we use here must, that is the obligation. Okay, now the fifth one. I could ride a bicycle when I was 6. Okay, could, that is that shows the ability in past. Okay, could, we use that modal auxiliary which shows the ability in the past. Now sixth one is here. I can, okay, sorry, can you show me the way to the bus station please, question mark. Okay, it is a questions starting with modal auxiliary, that is can. Now the seventh one is here. Could you hand out the books and pens please, question mark. It is more polite question. That means do you understand easily? Here we use could. Okay, now the next one is here. Emma would like to learn a new language. Okay, it is related one questions with to complete the sentence with the appropriate modal verbs, and here in that question we use the proper modal verbs according to its sentence meaning. Okay, now question number B is here. Complete this sentence with in, on, up, down, off or away. According to this sentence meaning, we can use here these prepositions. Okay, to complete the sentence with in, on, up, down, off or away. Okay, the first sentence is here. The sun came dash and the sky was filled with a beautiful orange glow. Okay, according to this sentence meaning, we can use that is the up. Okay, the sun came up, you can write here up. Okay, the sentence it will be the sun came up and the sky was filled with a beautiful orange glow, full stop. Now the second sentence is here. Okay, I always get dash early on my birthday. According to this sentence meaning, you can use here up. Okay, that means I always get up early on my birthday, full stop. Now the third sentence. I woke dash early but I fell asleep again, so I missed my bus to school. Okay, I woke up early. Okay, so we use here also up. Okay, from this in, on, up, down, off or away, from that words we use the correct one, that is the up. I woke up early but I fell asleep again, so I missed my bus to school. Now the fourth sentence is here. You need to slow dash or you are going to have an accident. According to this sentence meaning, you need to slow down. This word you can use here, down. Okay, down. you need to slow down or you are going to have an accident. This sentence it will become like that. Okay, now the fifth sentence is here. My father grew dash on a farm, so he always likes visiting the countrysides. According to this sentence meaning, you can use here grew up. Okay, my father grew up on a farm, so he always likes visiting the countryside. Now the sixth one is here sentence. Okay, can you switch dash the computer please question mark. Can you switch on? This word on you can use here. Okay, switch on. Can you switch on the computer please question mark. Now the seventh one is here. The children went inside and took dash their hats and coats. Okay, this word of you can use here. Okay, of OWF. The children went inside and took off their hats and coats. Full stop. Now the eighth sentence is here. My parents are people I can my parents are people I can really count dash. Okay, according to this sentence meaning you can use that word count on. Okay, now in this way you can complete this question. Complete this sentence with in, on, up, down, off or away. The first sentence like that all you can complete. Okay, the remaining part of this lessons we will see in next video. Thank you.